Patterson 16C. First switch on. Set to broadcast band.
Wind goes from 10 until 11:30 in the morning. The Straight Wheelers Square Dance Club starting up beginning square dance lessons on Monday. ShopBurlington.com.
वालियों को जोड़ा तो बच्चा बारे प्लान करना चाहिए। हाँ जी।
MRI and an outpatient surgery center. You see, for all. Super Visa, RESP, RSP.
Park in Fort Anne. It's happening.
This is the IF gain.
For the effects of Hurricane ABC's Alex Stone is in Savannah, Georgia.
Here in Savannah are a dark gray, and much like what we saw in Florida ahead of Dorian's arrival there, pretty much everything is closed. Stores, gas stations are boarded up.
That's the AVC switch. Presumably that's AVC on.
Charleston, where I'm headed.
The wind is only one concern about Georgia.
Our message today is if you are still in the evacuation zone,
Down is on.
you still have time to get out, but time to get out is running out.
This is the communication switch. Switches the EHT off, I think.
Mandatory evacuation orders issued this morning.
Volume control on and off.
Daria Albinger, ABC News.
Loads of
Here is
volume.
your AccuWeather forecast. This afternoon, mostly sunny and pleasant, high
Span
59. Clear for tonight, low 52. Pleasant tomorrow with a mix of clouds and sunshine, high 73.
This is the big frequency oscillator switch.
Low 55. Probably sunny
And the
for
tuning
Friday,
for
high
that is this
71.
little crank handle on
Friday
top of the
night,
IF cam over here.
with a low of 54.
But it just seemed to be
For
working.
Saturday, sun and areas of high clouds.
there it
with a
is.
high of 58. For AccuWeather, I'm Cheryl Bailey.
That's impressive. And, this is the crystal switch, so crystal phasing. And this is the crystal bypass switch.
David is in Texas. Welcome to the Ramsey Show, David.
Thank you. I'm doing great.
Quite sure what that's doing. I don't think it's working properly.
I'm 20 years old right now. I don't need that right now.
Nothing wideband.
Currently.
This is the bottom end of the broadcast band. Probably nothing much here anyway. Should we get something around about there? 1070. Doesn't seem to be working.
I guess.
Working at the top end. Oh, sure waves.
be an engineer. We don't want to drive across a bridge that a guy that hates details designed.
There it is. First try on. Seems to be working on all bands, sort of. I haven't done any alignment or checks yet on the controls apart from the ones I've noted in output. Seem to be working properly. But anyway, I'm pleased it's working. A little bit of a homebrew affair over here with a output transformer and a couple of power resistors there acting as the filter, because I haven't got a dynamic speaker linked up to it. It's just using a permanent magnet speaker. So we've got a couple of resistors there to bring the HT down to 250 volts, which it should be. And there's about 350 volts on the plates of the output tubes, which are number 42s. There you have it. Patterson PR16C.